Once upon a time, there was a woman named Alice. She felt lost and stuck in life. Negative thoughts clouded her mind. "I'm not good enough," she'd say. "I'll never be happy." These thoughts became her reality. She felt powerless to change her situation. One day, Alice stumbled upon a book about affirmations. Intrigued, she decided to try it. She chose the affirmation, "I am worthy of love and happiness." At first it felt strange. She didn't quite believe the words. But Alice persisted, repeating the affirmation daily. Slowly something shifted within her. The negative thoughts became quieter. Alice started to see glimpses of her own worth. Her confidence grew. She began to make positive changes in her life. Alice's story is a testament to the power of affirmations. It shows us that we are not bound by our negative thoughts. We have the power to choose a different story for ourselves. By changing our thoughts, we can change our lives. Our thoughts are incredibly powerful. They shape our beliefs about ourselves and the world around us. What we believe, we become. When we focus on negative thoughts, we attract more negativity into our lives. We may experience stress, anxiety, and unhappiness. On the other hand, when we cultivate positive thoughts, we invite joy, love, and abundance into our lives. Positive affirmations are a powerful tool to help us shift our mindset from negative to positive. They are short, powerful statements that, when repeated regularly, can change our subconscious beliefs. Think of your mind as a garden. Negative thoughts are like weeds. They choke the beautiful flowers of positivity. Affirmations are like the gardener that pulls out the weeds. With consistent effort, your garden will flourish with vibrant blooms of joy, love, and success. Mantras are similar to affirmations, but they have roots in ancient traditions. They are often words or sounds from Sanskrit, believed to have spiritual power. The repetition of mantras helps to quiet the mind and connect us with our inner wisdom. Whether we use affirmations or mantras, the key is repetition. When we repeat these positive statements consistently, we begin to reprogram our subconscious mind. We start to believe the new story we are telling ourselves. Imagine a path in the woods. The more you walk it, the clearer it becomes. Repeating affirmations or mantras is like walking that path. Each repetition strengthens the neural pathways in our brain associated with those positive beliefs. "I am the architect of my fate" is a powerful mantra. It reminds us that we are not victims of circumstance. We have the power to create the life we desire. This mantra empowers us to take responsibility for our thoughts, feelings, and actions. When we repeat this mantra, we step into our power. We acknowledge that we are the creators of our reality. This realization can be both liberating and daunting. It means we have the power to change, but it also means we need to be mindful of our choices. Think of yourself as an artist standing before a blank canvas. You have a palette full of vibrant colors. Each thought, word, and action is a brushstroke. With each conscious choice, you create the masterpiece of your life. Start by incorporating the mantra, "I am the architect of my fate," into your daily routine. Repeat it first thing in the morning, throughout the day, and before bed. Write it down in a journal. Meditate on its meaning. As you repeat this mantra, visualize yourself living the life you desire. Feel the joy, the gratitude, and the fulfillment. Believe it is possible. The more you embody this belief, the more you align yourself with its manifestation. Remember, change takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself. Be consistent with your practice. And most importantly, believe in the power of your own transformation. You are capable of creating a life filled with joy, purpose, and abundance. Go forth and build the life of your dreams.